Hi, this is Rowan and this is me, and we're gonna announce that's burping Rayna, and she's gonna burp for us. Say burp. Burp. Burpy. Okay, bye, and here's Rayna. Mom. Okay, let's get serious, people. Okay, come on. Okay, I guess not. Alright, come on. Back to business, people. This is my dog burping.
Oh, so say, can you?
Oh, say, can you?
I got that right.
Was that the grand finale?
Yes!
Alright, chunk that whole thing and that'll be the grand finale.
I thought that was a good girl. Done. That's the scene of me being funny and burping.
Okay, that was Rayna